How would you like to boost your online store sales, simplify your checkout process, and tap into a massive, engaged customer base all at the same time? If you're running an e-commerce business in today's fast-paced digital world, you're constantly on the lookout for ways to optimize, innovate, and provide a seamless experience for your customers. You're probably already familiar with the big players: credit cards, PayPal, maybe even Apple Pay or Google Pay. But there's another payment method that's been steadily gaining traction, particularly among a younger, digitally native demographic, and it's one that could be a game changer for your online store: Venmo. Now, before you jump to conclusions and think, isn't Venmo just for splitting dinner bills with friends, or is it even a serious option for businesses? Let me assure you, Venmo has evolved far beyond its humble origins. What started as a peer-to-peer payment app has grown into a formidable force in the digital payment landscape, backed by PayPal and boasting an enormous user base that's actively engaged in mobile transactions. Integrating Venmo into your online store isn't just about offering another payment option, it's about connecting with your customers where they are, simplifying their purchasing journey, and potentially unlocking a significant new revenue stream. Think about your customers for a moment. They're increasingly accustomed to the convenience of mobile payments. They want transactions to be fast, secure, and hassle-free. They might even have a Venmo balance ready to spend, making it incredibly easy for them to complete a purchase with just a few taps. By not offering Venmo, you could be inadvertently putting up a barrier for a segment of your audience who prefers, or even expects, this payment method. You are potentially leaving money on the table and missing out on the opportunity to convert browsers into buyers. But how do you actually go about adding Venmo to your online store? Is it a complicated technical ordeal? Does it require a complete overhaul of your e-commerce platform? The good news is, for most modern online store setups, integrating Venmo is surprisingly straightforward, thanks to its close relationship with PayPal and the robust integrations offered by popular e-commerce platforms. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into the how-to of adding Venmo to your online store. We'll explore the benefits, walk through the technical steps, discuss potential challenges, and provide you with a clear roadmap to empower your business with this powerful payment solution. Whether you're running a small Shopify boutique, a WooCommerce-powered content empire, or a custom-built e-commerce platform, the principles and steps we'll outline today will be invaluable. So, grab a notepad, settle in, and let's unlock the power of Venmo for your online store. The first crucial step in adding Venmo to your online store is understanding its underlying connection to PayPal. Venmo is owned by PayPal, and this relationship is key to its integration for businesses. For the vast majority of online stores, you won't be adding Venmo as a standalone payment gateway in the same way you might integrate Stripe or Square directly. Instead, Venmo typically becomes an available payment option through your existing PayPal integration. This means that if you already accept PayPal on your online store, you're likely more than halfway there. PayPal has designed its business payment solutions to include Venmo as a checkout option for eligible transactions. When a customer chooses to pay with PayPal on your site, and they have the Venmo app installed on their mobile device, they can often see Venmo as an alternative payment method within the PayPal checkout flow. It's a seamless experience for the customer, leveraging their existing Venmo account and balance. So, let's break down the process based on common e-commerce platforms. If you're using Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, the process is incredibly streamlined. Shopify natively integrates with PayPal. To ensure Venmo is available, you need to have PayPal activated as a payment provider in your Shopify admin. Go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Settings Payments. Under the Supported Payment Methods section, you should see PayPal. If it's not already activated, you'll need to set up your PayPal business account and connect it to your Shopify store. Once your PayPal integration is active, Venmo will generally be offered automatically as a payment option within the PayPal checkout process for your customers, especially when they are checking out on a mobile device and have the Venmo app installed. Shopify handles the heavy lifting here, making it remarkably easy for merchants. The key is to ensure your PayPal integration is set up correctly and fully functional. For WooCommerce users, the process is similar but requires you to utilize a PayPal plugin. The most common and recommended approach is to use the official WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin. This plugin offers a comprehensive integration with PayPal's various payment solutions, including PayPal Standard, PayPal Checkout, and PayPal Express Checkout. When you install and configure this plugin, you'll connect it to your PayPal business account. Within the plugin settings, you can enable various payment methods. With the WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin, Venmo is often presented as an option within the smart payment buttons or as part of the PayPal checkout flow, especially when customers are on mobile. Ensure you have the latest version of the plugin and that it's properly configured with your PayPal API credentials. Always check the plugin's documentation for the most up-to-date information on enabling all available payment methods. If you're on other platforms like BigCommerce, Squarespace, or Wix, the principle remains the same: leverage your platform's native PayPal integration. Each of these platforms provides built-in support for connecting your PayPal business account. Once connected, PayPal's smart payment buttons and checkout flows are designed to dynamically offer Venmo as an option when it's applicable to the customer's device and Venmo account status. Always consult your specific platform's documentation for the precise steps on setting up or verifying your PayPal integration. For those running a custom-built e-commerce solution or using a less common platform, you'll need to integrate directly with PayPal's APIs. This usually involves using PayPal's checkout integration, often referred to as PayPal Smart Payment Buttons or PayPal Commerce Platform. These APIs are designed to detect the customer's device and location and present the most relevant payment options, including Venmo, directly on your checkout page. This approach requires more technical expertise, as you'll be working with code to implement the PayPal SDK and handle the payment processing logic. However, it offers the most flexibility and control over the checkout experience. You'll need to refer to the PayPal developer documentation for detailed instructions on integrating the PayPal JavaScript SDK and enabling Venmo as a funding source. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.